Hi friends, welcome to Kurshika. I have started a new series to teach you how to integrate the Razorpay with Django through a project. So in this tutorial, I will introduce you to Razorpay and its flow of how we integrate with our site and the two methods of integration. So friends, if you like my tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Code Shikha, because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. Now let's start the tutorial. So first I will introduce you to Razorpay. It is the India's payment gateway that is designed for Indian businesses. So what is a payment gateway? Suppose you have a website and clients that use your website. You will need to take payments online from your clients. So you are looking for someone to hire who could handle payments on your behalf, and that someone is the payment gateway. For example, Paytm, Razorpay, PayPal, etc. And Razorpay works both online and offline, and we need to integrate Razorpay with our website to start accepting payments online from our customers. And it provide payment options such as net banking, credit and debit cards, wallets and UPI. It also provides payments in up to 100 currencies, for example, from all over the world. For example, UK, Japan, Australia, etc. And it helps to carry out our business transactions efficiently. It also provides cardless EMI that can be accepted globally. So it does not matter where the customer belongs to. So basically, Razorpay accepts payments from almost anywhere. Now let's see the flow of how we integrate Razorpay with our site. At the client side, customer clicks the pay button. Then the server calls the orders API of the Razorpay by passing the API credentials to create an order at the Razorpay site. Then the API returns an order ID created for the customer. After that, we pass at the server, we pass the order ID to the checkout form. Checkout form is nothing but the form with Razorpay's different payment options, and the order ID will be submitted in the checkout form. Then the script in the form calls the Razorpay's API for making the payment. Okay, then the Razorpay returns payment ID, Razorpay order ID, Razorpay signature to the server through this client. Okay, then at the server side we need to verify the signature to check the authenticity of data written by Razorpay. That is basically, server will generate a signature for the payment ID, Razorpay order ID, and the signature should be matched with the Razorpay signature. And if it is matched, then the payment will be successful, otherwise it will be failed. Okay, and the succeed payment will be captured at the Razorpay site, otherwise it will be the transaction will be failed at the Razorpay site. Now let's see the two methods of integration of Razorpay with our site. That is quick integration and standard integration. Quick integration is for quickly integrating Razorpay with our site, and that will not require too much customization for integrating. Okay, and that is simple and fast. We will use standard integration if you want to customize the checkout method as per our need. For example, we want to customize the pay button and or the payment options. Okay, next, the quick integration is known as automatic checkout, and standard integration is known as manual checkout. The pay button in quick integration is auto created, and we can't it can't be customized. For example, we can't change its front and background color. Okay, and in standard integration we can create and customize the pay button as per our requirement. And the checkout function in quick integration is an HTML based form action method, and we can't use any JavaScript function to make any customizations. Okay, for standard integration the checkout function used is a JavaScript method. Okay, and we can use additional functions, that is JavaScript functions, if required. So in the next videos for building our project I will use quick integration method. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel Code Shikha to get the new video updates first to you. Now I will meet in the next tutorial with a new video. Bye bye.